Hi you guys, my name is Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 powerful reasons why adding journaling to your everyday routine will not only give you results in your life, but allow you to feel more content in the process. But before I jump right in, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a video. And it is my plan throughout 2019 to release at least one good quality YouTube video a week. You'll also see Dreamcast episodes pop up on the YouTube channel as well, because I know not everybody has a podcast app or understands podcasts, so I want to make sure that all this information is easily available, and some will be podcasts and some will be videos, and subscribe so you're, in the loop. Okay, so journaling. I recently came out with the Dream Life Daily Journal. And this is my morning routine. This has been my morning routine for a while now, and it has allowed me to create my own personal vision and stay excited about it and then do something every day in order to get there. But what I've realized throughout the last few months as people are getting the journal and using it is that not everybody has ever journaled. Like, some people have never journaled before. And if that's you, I'm excited for you, because adding this to your routine is going to build more connection with yourself and your future. And if you have journaled in the past, I've got a few ideas to make it even that much more powerful for you. So what is journaling? Essentially, journaling is writing. You can do it a few ways. You can either, number 1, do automatic writing, where you just allow yourself to write and don't think, don't judge, don't think about what you're gonna write, just write. And what that does is kind of purge some of the things that are built up inside and allow things to come through. Like you may find that something bubbles up for you that you haven't thought about in quite a long time as you're automatically writing. Another thing that I've done in this vein is to write a question. So if I have a question and I feel like I need an answer, what I know is I already know the answer, but I sometimes am too busy or my thoughts are too sporadic to actually listen to myself. So what I'll do is I'll write the question, and then I'll just relax a bit. And then I'll just start writing. And it might not be in the first paragraph or the first sentence, but eventually, as I again kind of allow things to bubble up and go up on the page, things will start to brew, and I'll feel like, oh, there's my answer, clear as day. So automatic writing is a great way to connect with yourself. Another thing you can do is answer specific questions. So not just a life question that you might have, like which job should I take, where should I live, should I marry this guy, should I have another baby, what should I do here? You can ask those questions and allow yourself to answer them. But you can also do self-discovery questions, and you can be guided by the questions. So even things like, what do I really like, and what brings me joy, and who am I, and who do I want to be, and where do I want to be in 5 years, and what is my dream day? And asking these guided questions can allow you to create your own personal vision, as again, you allow things to bubble up, but it's more of a future way. Journaling is so healing, because so many times, friends, we're in our head, we're thinking to ourselves, whereas writing it gets it out of our body. And eventually, if it feels good, speak it to someone. Tell somebody your dreams. Tell somebody what you just wrote down. Speak it out loud in the car, even as things start to bubble up for you, because that makes it even that much more powerful. Journaling is an amazing way to connect with yourself, and it's an amazing way to create that personal vision for yourself as you really start to identify, who am I and what is it that I want. One thing that I've done in the past is I've allowed things to bubble up, and then sometimes I don't take them seriously. I think maybe everybody has that goal, or everybody feels that way, and I don't believe that it's that important. What I've learned is that it is. It's always important. There's a reason why you're passionate about marriage. There's a reason why you keep talking about children. There's a reason why these things keep bubbling up for you. And so once you identify that, then you can put things on your calendar to keep taking steps in that direction. So here is a copy of the Dream Life Daily Journal, and every day we have a spot for prayer, if you can see it. Boop, prayer, meditation, and journaling, just the reflection time. And this is where I write. I again either ask a question and automatic write it out, or I just talk about my day and allow things to bubble up. But I know that journaling every day is going to not only help you see physical results in your life as you stay excited and focused on your vision, but allow you to connect to yourself and have so much more joy in the process. If you're not journaling, this is my call to action, right? Journal now. Get the Dream Life Daily Journal from Amazon or in the link below, and start this practice, because you will feel better when you do it. Have an amazing day. If you want more of these types of videos, subscribe. Also check out the Dreamcast, which is my podcast full of inspiration, motivation, and ideas for you. And then I do have the Dream Life Action Planner, which is a free PDF download that you can get to map out and put your dreams on your calendar so you start taking action and seeing the fruit of all of your labor. Have an amazing day, and remember to dream big.